Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. So, this video we just hooked up the boat here, rigging up right now, getting ready for a night tournament. Guys, sorry about that. The video there, I'm sitting here editing and I just realized that the sound cut out mid-intro. So, here, doing the intro again. So basically, we hop in a night tournament. I was on some fish and yeah, we have a good time. We do cash a check, so yeah, stay tuned to see how we do. But yeah, I try to film this night tournament for you guys. It's obviously a night tournament, so a little hard to film in the dark and everything, and I gotta wear a life jacket the whole time, so that gets in the way a little bit. But I do the best I can, and yeah, I'll share this video with you guys. So hope you guys like it. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It means a lot. And yeah, stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys out on the water.
Hours later.
I'm gonna go back to that structure. Yeah, it's a good one, dude. Come on, fish. Just come on up. It's a good one. Well, it's not as good as I thought, but probably hard. There's number one at least. It's got some fat on him. That might be a pre-spawn.
Is this net trying to get in the boat in this way?
Yeah. Barely, but trust me, I know. Going. Yeah. Feels like a decent one. Yeah, that was on drop shot. Morning Dawn. 6-inch. What? No. Can't have live bait. Everything has to be artificial. Caught with a rod. We just need a big end. Just need a big end. Huh? Yeah. That flat over there, if we can get on it, I think Carolina rig will be money. Yeah. Well, it's 8:18, so it's on the other side of that point, way over there. I want to pull one more off this spot. Yep. What is this on, Jake?
Yeah. Good one.
Looks good. Can't see. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Oh my fuck.
Right here.
Dude, that's a good one.
Dude, that's my PB of like the year.
We should stay here for a little longer.
Post up. If it takes 5 mile an hour.
Keep casting, keep casting.
3.5? 3.3?
Almost a 4. High 3. I have it in decimals. So 3.73. Because decimals you'll get like a little more accuracy. So like you'll gain an ounce on somebody that's doing the normal. Why is that a thing? Yeah. I don't think it's giant. Oh, it's a good one.
Don't forget.
Yeah. Adam. Better than I thought.
Might be cat.
Dude, they're on the stretch.
Yeah, I know.
That's one of the ones that'll help us out a little bit. There's one. Go. Good in. Good in. Oh, dude, that's like an 8-pounder. Oh, buddy.
That side's better.
Yep. This side, this side. Here he comes. Oh, he's still a little low.
Is light on good or no?
I don't know. Yeah, probably so you can see where you're netting.
Holy cow.
Oh! Fuck you.
Holy shit. How big is that? Is that a PB? Dude, that's 8. That's my PB.
Oh. Hey, he was off a little bit. Like halfway.
Dude, that's a tank.
Yeah, those are 2 separate.
Matthew. Matthew. Nat. 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 It's a good one. Chatterbait. Net him, net him. That'll call. That'll do it for sure. Oh, bigger than I thought he was. Yeah, you think that'll call? Oh yeah. Dude. Huh? No, it wouldn't. Oh, thank you.
Here's that for you. Oops, sorry. There's that. Got it. Got a 3 count. Hey, let's go. 7 even. Want to hop down? I'll take a photo when I'm done right here. Nice one, guys. 1762. Go right here with them. One, 2, and 3. Got it? I think I left water in your bag. There you go. Do you want to hop up? I'll hand them to you.
Yeah. Thank you.
There you go. You got it. Nice going.